Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the call to action block and learning how to customize it to create custom CTAs in Gutenberg. Let's get started. To get started, drop a container block onto your page editor and select a single column layout. Then, click inside the container and search for the Call to Action block in the Quick menu. This is the basic appearance of the CTA block by Zoloblocks. Under the General section in the Basic tab, you can change the preset style. For now, there are 2 presets available. There are also 4 buttons below that can show or hide the title, description, and buttons of the CTA block. The alignment option here works on the whole content part. Right below is the content section where you can change the title text, title tag, and description text for the CTA. Next, from the button section, you can change the label, URL, and customize the icon of the buttons. Note that there are 2 button sections, one for the primary and the other for the secondary. From the icon status option, you can choose no icon, visible icon, and only icon button. The same goes for both. At the end of the panel, there's a switch to change the icon position. These are all basic settings. To customize the button appearance, head over to the Style tab. Here, you'll find the CTA title section where you can change the title color. From the typography option, you can customize the font style with various settings. The description section also has similar color, typography, and margin controls. The margin option is linked, but you can unlink it by clicking on the link icon to edit all 4 values separately. Next, move to the primary button section to customize the buttons. Start with typography customization. Then click on the border icon to add a border. You can select a solid border, a custom border color, and the width. You can also apply border radius to curve the edges a bit. Then, unlink and customize the padding to adjust the area of the button. Something like this would fit perfectly. Finally, customize the text and background. Note that you can choose colors for both normal and hover modes from the bottom part. Now, let's move on to the secondary button section. As before, start by modifying the typography. Since we kept the button icon for this one, you will see an option to adjust the icon size and a scroll bar to adjust the spacing for further icon adjustments. The rest of the options are similar. Let's keep going with the flow, just like before. However, for the color part, let's make the text black this time and reverse the colors in the hover mode. That means white for the text and black for the background. Now let's make some changes to the whole CTA block from the Extra tab. First, adjust the padding to your liking. Then choose a subtle color for the background. We can also add some borders for a better appearance. By following these steps, your CTA block will be ready to perform. Check out some examples from our ready-to CTA block patterns to enhance your site design experience. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest block tutorials. Stay connected with BdThemes.